Enter the world of pharmacy. It held in words.
I am Arjun Deshpande, founder of Generic Aadhar. Today at World Pharmacist Day, I thank you each and every individual pharmacist, a frontline worker, a happy Pharmacist Day who are serving our nation on the ground level, who are giving the medicines at affordable rates at Generic Aadhar. Each and every pharmacist have a good value in his or her life. In Generic Aadhar, we are recognizing that value of each pharmacist and we are giving them an opportunity. I am also creating job opportunities to each and every pharmacist, as well as I am giving them an opportunity to become an independent entrepreneur as well at Generic Aadhar. So we should recognize pharmacists and we should always stand with them because they are the ground level workers as well who are giving the medicines to the individual. So happy Pharmacist Day to each and every one of you from Generic Aadhar. Thank you.
We are the pharmacists. We are the future.
Warm welcome at Generic Aadhar. We at Generic Aadhar, myself Aarti Deshpande, congratulate and thank you on the occasion of World Pharmacist Day to all our pharmacists all across India and in the world. As we know that our soldiers are protecting our country 24/7 and protecting our civilians, people from our enemies. On the other hand, all our police sisters and brothers are protecting our civilians and they are putting all their best efforts to save our lives in the current pandemic. And at the same time, doctors, sisters and all the pharmacists over the counter, maybe they are working on a shop floor in the production, maybe they are into regulatory, maybe they are on to supply chain, but everyone putting their best efforts to give medicines on time to all our people 24/7. So it's really a hats off to them, and we would like to congratulate and thank you every pharmacist on this special day, and really thank you for all the work they are doing for our nation. Me, myself, Aarti Deshpande, having experience of 22 plus years in international business, and I tried serve various medicines in different countries in Southeast Asia, East African countries, Latin and Central America. So wherein all people are there are getting really affordable medicines and accessible medicines. So with the same mission, I would like to continue our efforts started by Mr. Arjun Deshpande at Generic Aadhar and respected Mr. Ratan Tata sir to serve our country by affordable and accessible medicines, and we would like to take it forward successfully on the same mission. Thank you so much everyone, and again thank you to all pharmacists throughout the world and in India. Thank you.
Thank you Arjun sir for giving this great honor to all our pharmacists. And I am Deepak Mathur. I am having a bachelor's degree of pharmacy, and I have done my bachelor's degree of pharmacy from MDP USN University Bareilly, and also done a pharma management from Institute of Pharmaceutical Education Research, Pune. I have worked in many ways, companies, pharmaceutical companies, and like in Sun Pharma, MCO, or in JAS. From past 17 years, I have handled international and domestic market. Now, Generic Aadhar is given a very great opportunity to work for a nation, and work for a nation is a very big social responsibility for us. So this responsibility, when we are fulfilling through the Generic Aadhar, providing a high quality medicine at very affordable price and helping to the making healthy nation, and this vision by Mr. Arjun Deshpande sir, who has created a very big revolution into the pharmaceutical industry and creating the awareness about the patient that yes, medicines can be affordable for you and you have a right to good health. That's only because of Generic Aadhar. Thank you Generic Aadhar, thank you Arjun for giving this opportunity to all of us. Thank you.
Thank you Generic Aadhar. Myself Ajay Mohite. I am a registered pharmacist at Maharashtra State Pharmacy Company. I would like to recognize and tell you all that we as a pharmacist, we are involved into manufacturing of pharmaceuticals. We are into dispensing of pharmaceuticals. We are into marketing of pharmaceuticals. We are in clinical research of pharmaceuticals. But we have never been recognized as a person who is doing something for the society. right here we are working with Generic Aadhaar and we are very thankful for them to recognize the work. Has never been happening in pharmaceutical field so far, but it's really an honor to be associated with Generic Aadhaar and especially with Arjun to recognize the work and to felicitate us on this very special day of work. So on behalf of Generic Aadhaar and myself, I would like to congratulate you all and wish you all a very happy Farmer Day.
We are the future. We are the future.
Myself Radha Bhati. I have done my M.Pharm from Jamia Hamdard, New Delhi, and present I have worked in various renowned companies and delivered n number of products and manufactured so many current molecules in various GMP facilities. So presently I am the part of Generic Aadhaar, where I have got a very great responsibility of procuring medicines for the various stores all over across the India, and I am thankful to Arjun for giving such a great opportunity. Thank you.
We are the future.
I am Pramod Nimbarkar. I am a pharmacist. I have total 7-year experience in pharmaceutical industry, and I'll completed my B Pharmacy in Mumbai University. I am very thankful for the celebration of Pharmacist Day, which is done by Mr. Arjun Deshpande sir. He is the CEO of Generic Aadhaar, and I am giving my special message to all people. आम्हाला असावा तुमचा आधार, तुमच्यासाठीच आहे Generic Aadhaar.
So we save the lives with
Hello, I am Naina Nayak. I am from Generic Aadhaar. I have worked in around pharmaceutical around 15 years of experience. So I am very happy to be connected with Generic Aadhaar. Generic Aadhaar is a company which is providing affordable medicine to all the people in India, across India. So on the happy Pharmacist Day, and the Pharmacist Day, we are wishing all pharmacists a happy Pharmacist Day.
Hello, I am Arun Andar. I have completed my graduation in pharmaceutical chemistry from DAV University Indore. Then after I have done MBA marketing from Pune. I have 10 years of experience in pharmaceutical sales and marketing in different companies. Now I am serving the nation through Generic Aadhaar as a regional sales manager North India. Generic Aadhaar is the concept has been started by a 16 years old boy Mr. Arjun Deshpande with the thought to provide quality medicines at a very low price to the Indian citizens with the help of our franchise partners. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Susant Kumar. I have done Bachelor degree of Pharmacy from MET University, Noida. I have total pharmaceutical experience of 5 years. I have experience of both production and marketing. I had worked with many pharmaceutical companies like Escortidil Pharmacy in Chandigarh, Alchem Laboratory in Delhi NCR, Dawa India in Delhi NCR. Now I am working for our nation through Generic Aadhaar as a regional manager for East India. Make our country as a healthy nation by providing high quality generic medicine at very affordable price to all Indians. India is already a manufacturing hub for producing a high quality generic medicine. Generic Aadhaar bring revolution in pharmaceutical industry and bring high quality medicine at very affordable price through our authorized franchisee in across India. I also congratulate our Arjun Deshpande sir for bringing this innovative concept and this business model in pharma industry.
I have Vishal Thakkar, D.Pharm from Nagrik Shiksha Sanstha of Bombay Central Tardive College. I passed my pharmacy in 1995 and I have a more than experience of more than 25 years. और जनरिक आधार के साथ जुड़ने के बाद हमारे बिजनेस को भी काफ़ी एक बूस्ट मिला है और जनरिक आधार का जो क्राइटेरिया है वो क्राइटेरिया के हिसाब से अगर कोई फार्मेसी वाला उनसे साथ ज्वाइन होता है तो दोनों की तरफ से बेनिफिट रहेगा। और आज की तारीख में जो जनरिक मेडिसिन का जो डिमांड बढ़ते जा रहा है वो हिसाब से जनरिक आधार ने बहुत एक बढ़िया और अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट निकाला है जिससे पब्लिक को भी फायदा हो रहा है। जो चीज़ का जो उन लोग को महीने का जो 2-3 हज़ार का बिल होता था अब इनकी वजह से 700-800 रुपये 1000 रुपये तक उनको वो भी बेस्ट क्वालिटी और जेन्युइन क्वालिटी दवाई मिल रही है। एंड आई हार्टली कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन टू मिस्टर देशपांडे एंड अर्जुन देशपांडे कि इन्होंने जो एक कॉन्सेप्ट स्टार्ट किया है एंड थैंक्स टू देम फॉर पार्ट ऑफ देयर बिजनेस एंड पार्ट ऑफ देयर दिस कंपनी। थैंक्स फॉर दैट।
Thank you. Happy Pharmacist Day से, तो आप काम करते हो डेली बेसिस पे कोविड-19 में भी, रियली हैट्स ऑफ यू।
ओके, थँक्यू सर.
माझा जो अमोल केमिस्ट म्हणून मेडिकल आहे, मी ह्या दुकानाचा मालिक आहे. या ठिकाणी मी जनरिक आधारची फ्रँचायझी घेतली आहे. जनरिक आधारची फ्रँचायझी घेतल्यानंतर माझ्या दुकानावरती कस्टमरची संख्या वाढली आहे आता. त्याचं कारण जनरिक आधारची क्वालिटी आणि जनरिक आधारने प्रोव्हाइड केलेले बेनिफिट्स. जनरिक आधारने 15 वर्षच्या दिवशी SRL तर्फे फ्री शुगर चेकअप असा ब्लड कॅम्प ठेवला. फ्री शुगर चेकअप, किडनी, कोलेस्ट्रॉल अशा 3 टेस्टचा कॅम्प ठेवले आहे. त्यामुळे लोकांना पण बेनिफिट होत आहे आणि आमच्या मेडिकल शॉपला पण भरपूर फायदा झाला आहे.
अर्जुन देशपांडे सर का तहे दिल से धन्यवाद करता हूं कि इस पैंडेमिक में हमें रिकॉग्नाइज किया एंड हम इस वर्ल्ड फार्मासिस्ट डे पर हमें सम्मानित किया. थैंक यू सर.
थैंक यू. इसका बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि उन्होंने इस फार्मासिस्ट डे पे जो हमारा पेंडेमिक चल रहा है इतना बड़ा कोरोना का, हमारे इम्पोर्टेंस जानी और हम लोग को ये बताया है कि हम इस फार्मासिस्ट डे में कितने उपयोगी हैं.
जनरिक आधार दवाइयाँ किफायती दरों में ले जाइए अपने घरों में.